Hey everyone, if you're managing hypertension, keeping track of your blood pressure at home is crucial. Today I've got a quick guide on the best home blood pressure monitors you can find on Amazon in 2025. First up is the Omron HEM 7120 digital blood pressure monitor. This fully automatic device uses IntelliSense technology to give you precise measurements. It has a hypertension indicator and can detect irregular heartbeats. The medium-sized cuff fits arm circumferences between 22 to 32 centimeters. Plus, it's super easy to use with just one touch. It even comes with a 5-year warranty. Price is around RS1 910.00. You can find the link in the description. Next we have the Dr. Morepen BP monitor model BP02. This one offers comfort inflation technology for accurate readings. It supports dual user functionality and can store up to 120 readings. The universal cuff size is great for different arm sizes, and it also detects irregular heartbeats. It's designed to be easy to use and portable. Price RS1049.00. Link is in the description. Lastly, let's talk about the Omron HEM 6161 wrist blood pressure monitor. This compact device is perfect for those who need portability. It features a cuff wrap guide, irregular heartbeat detection, and a body movement indicator to ensure accurate readings. It's user-friendly and great for on-the-go monitoring. Price RS1 489.00. Link is in the description. For your reference, check out the blood pressure category chart by the American Heart Association. Thanks for watching Health and Alerts. A well-informed person is more likely to live longer and have a better quality of life. Reset health, reset life. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on various health parameters. See you next time.